Hey guys, welcome to Colonel Customs YouTube channel, and today we are going to review how the Smog Elite worked and what's it's done to it. So let's get in it. Alright, so after everything I did to it, the computer will have to relearn itself. If you're going to time it, there is a little plug right here. You just take that out and it'll disable the computer. Got rid of this and these two little cans, the charcoal canister, and I capped that line off. And I got rid of the EGR, and I got a little video in my last one that I'll show you on what I did to the EGR plug. Down there, I capped it off. I don't know if you can see it, but it's on the exhaust. I got that capped off. You need to do that. I also got little plates for the back of the heads for that bridge that goes across to the other head. You can see that. I also got rid of all of those ugly vacuum lines going across, and I just put two new ones. One's going to the box, and the other one is going to my fuel pressure regulator. I also got rid of the little solenoids that go into this coil bracket, and those two plugs, you can actually put some resistors in there and it'll keep your engine light off. Same with this plug that came with my little plate for my EGR. It came with the EGR plug. If you do get this kit, the plate and the plug, you will have to retap your holes for your intake, which is not that hard. There is also a vacuum cap. You got a plug down there. There's like a sensor that plugs into that right there. So you probably put a resistor in there too. Oh yeah, and I also got a little bracket for my Smog pump, and I had to get a different size pulley that came with that bracket so I can use the same belt. And I'll get all this stuff linked down in the bio. If I remember, I'm gonna try. But yeah, she runs great. You have to let the computer run so it can relearn itself. But she's definitely running way better than it used to be. Put her up. Okay, well, let's get going. All right, let's get going. Truck's pretty bouncy, and this road is too, so this camera's not going to look steady, but my arm's steady. The truck is just that bumpy. Oh yeah. Turn the lights on. Pretty good, but yeah, the truck, it just learns it, and it honestly runs better. That Smog pump is not pulling so much, you know, anymore. Crappy roads. So I already done this Smog delete on my other truck. It's a old Big Red. You've seen it in the videos, but we haven't done anything on it yet. It just needs exhaust, tires, and tie rod ends, which I don't know why I haven't done it yet. But that truck runs great too. I just need to time it as well. And yeah, once we get the exhaust and all the other bull crap put on it. Oh, it also needs a windshield too, so I can show you guys how to remove a windshield and probably install one as well. But this is all in the future. I don't know when it's going to happen, so. I also need to get back to working on the black truck here soon. So I can throw the tires on it I got for it. I got some doors and fenders for the red truck because they're all, the ones on the red truck are all messed up. And like I said, your engine light's gonna pop on whenever you did that Smog delete too. So if you don't mind an engine light, have at it. But if you don't want the engine light, you gotta find some resistors for all those plugs that are not connected. I might try to clip it in here and what type of plug you need, or like the resistors you can just shove in there. But yeah. So I'll get back to you guys whenever I get on the main road. You can see how nice she drives. Alright guys, we're back. Says she runs pretty good. Alright, we're gonna hit this road and we're gonna do a 30 roll and see what happens. Let's get up to 30. Steady. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. burns pretty good. She definitely loves that EGR and smog shit delete. That shit's for the birds. Anyways, I think that's going to complete the video. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, subscribe.